Yeah, we're in Otterspool and we're at the Otterspool Nature Park, Nature Reserve, but I just want to show you this. This is the Bride of May, and I don't know whether any of you remember me mentioning that. In our back garden by the greenhouse, there was a bush, and it's meant to be the Bride of May. Well, this is what it is meant to look like. There's another one over there. It's like a bridal bouquet, and we used to have one in our old house, and we just didn't bring it with us. We should have, but we didn't, and we haven't been able to see one since. But that is a huge Bride of May, and isn't it beautiful? It just looks like a bridal bouquet. These are mayflies. It looks like it's raining over there, but it's the mayflies in the water. I'll get closer. It's gorgeous day. Look at that sun.
Lilies?
Yeah, I'm literally just aiming on them now. Yeah, literally just aiming, zooming in on them.
Oh, so they're on the top of it all.
Yeah, I'm loving that Bride of May. That train is actually going to Southport. 1803 does that say up there?
53. 1853.
1853 does it?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. I've done this bridge last year.
You take a photograph of it, then you do Google Lens, and it'll tell you.
Yeah. Alright, I took a photograph. So we did this bridge last year. The colour up there, it's not beautiful. I know, I know. 1863, not 53. Yeah, let's stop videoing while we pass these kids. Right, just a load of teenagers, just having fun. Right, these are them steps. I don't know whether you remember from last year. These steps we actually walked up, and oh my god, it just went never ending all the way round, and in the end we said, right, we're coming down. Yeah. Yeah, I can't remember the history of it all now. But yeah, my videos from last year. Yeah, the videos from last year, if you put my name and search Otterspool, they all should come through. Because I can't remember the history basically. But it was a year ago anyway. Weather is absolutely gorgeous. Quite hot. So we've just been walking around looking at the river.
Don't get me on camera, if you're fucking trying much.
Right, I'm not going in this time because we went. Isn't this where it banged me head? Yeah, this is where it banged me head as we went up. Yeah, it goes steep and then you come out that way. So
all the old
hunting grounds and lodges around here, didn't you? Right.
Yeah.
So that's what all this brickwork's from.
All right. Okay.
And this is, if you look across, looks like a bridge, see? But it's across there. And that was one of the walkways. To get
All right.
across.
Yeah, I'm with you. Look at the colour. Trees. Gorgeous.
You'd actually stand up and walk through that tunnel line. Right.
Oh God, yeah. And isn't it this way we come out of it?
It's like, you know, originally, right,
Yeah.
it'd be up there, the roof.
Oh my God.
Right.
So yeah, it's nice walking through here again. But like I said, I'm not going through the tunnel this time.
Yeah, it's up there.
Where is that? Is that where we come out of last time?
Just like, you know,
Yeah. We actually.
where? And then, yeah.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. I was wondering where I was aiming then. Yeah, that's where we came out.
Right.
And walk down here, so not happening. I'm not doing it again. It's just a nice little nature walk in Otterspool Reserve Park. So Sefton Park is that way. It used to be all connected. The tree they cut down. See the birds. Yeah, we went to the cafe. I had a tuna jacket potato. Cliff had cheeseburger and chips, I think it was. It was salad. We were going to get an ice cream, but the queue was unbelievable. So before we go back to the car, we'll hopefully, yeah, don't just pass me. Hopefully manage to get an ice cream. Oh, very pretty. Right, so I'm going to finish off now. The strange thing about us being in Otterspool today is I was out this morning, and then when I got back, Cliff said we'll go for a drive to Otterspool, and just as we're getting the stuff ready, I got some photos. What Angela had WhatsApped them of Otterspool. I couldn't believe it. I said, oh my God, that's exactly where we're going now. Right, thanks for watching. See ya.